So you're going to need a little bit of butter, okay? Just pop it in there. As you can see, I've sped things up quite a bit, 400%. Now we're going to throw in some sugar. You can throw in crystalline sugar if you like. That's what I used. But caster sugar, or very fine sugar, would be preferable because it's just going to melt that little bit easier. Keep on stirring this. Don't let it sit on the bottom of the pot. It might burn, it might catch. So as you can see, I'm moving butter around, going to the very edge of the pot as well, because things can catch there quite easily. And as usual, I've sped this up, okay? Now, this will change the color just a little bit. You'll get a little bit of steam coming off of this. Just keep an eye on it. It will come together. It's gotten thicker, as you can see. Now here comes the first can of condensed milk. They're usually about 400 grams each. That's the first one in, and then here comes the second one. Now we've still got it on the heat. We're not going to go crazy with the heat. And now we stir continuously. And we're going to do this for about 5 minutes. There is work involved in making this stuff. Now you can go a little bit longer if you like. It will change color and it will go a little bit browner. But I'm quite happy with the thickness I had after 5 minutes, even though it was a blonde color. But I was conscious of the fact that I was getting browner pieces appearing as little flecks. And when I did pour this caramel out, I noticed in the bottom of the pot, right in the corners, I actually had like a hard crack toffee. So I was right on the edge in terms of making this work. So, listen to some music, talk to somebody, and just keep on stirring this. There you can see the first appearance of the little pieces of what is effectively toffee, right? If you're not careful. You can see I've got a bit of a bubble coming on here as well. And just keep on moving it. Keep on moving it. You'll drive out some steam, right? Even though the condensed milk is mostly sugar, you will drive out some steam. There's a little bit of water in that butter as well, okay? Not a lot, but a little. But I've got a bubble here, you can see that. And it is thickening up. Kind of relaxing. Don't stress. Just keep on moving. Just keep on moving. Keep everything moving. As I said, I went for 5 minutes, but you can go for a little longer. Put it onto a lower heat, just keep moving it. And once it's thick enough, it's ready to pour. You can see that's the shortbread I made earlier. And then you put this in the fridge, it'll set up nicely. It won't go really hard, but it's a nice caramel. You can cook it for longer if you like. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's how the YouTube algorithm works. Bye.